In this video, I'm going to show you how to use commands in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the specific page in which you want to use the commands. And to do that, you want to go to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and either under private or team spaces, you want to go to a specific page. Now to use a command, you want to click on a blank space, and within a blank space, you will be given an option to write, press space for AI, or slash for commands. If we do click on slash, it will add a lot of options that we could actually do. If you want to add basic blocks, you can either click on these ones or you just want to type them out. What you could also do is add a few pages, like a new page, a callout, a quote, link to a page, as well as a database. Now, let's say I want to filter a few things out and not look into all of the lists in here. And let's just say that I want to add a database. And to do that, I just want to add the slash for commands and then just type database, and it will filter all of the databases that they have. Let's say I want to do embeds. And to do that, I just want to type on slash and then do embed. These are all the blocks for embed. Then lastly, if I want to add a text box or a text block, I just want to type on slash and then type text. You will see all of the texts that are available as blocks. And that's about it. That's how to use commands in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.